main. So my only intention is, listen, my only intention is, the only person who can increase you is you only. I want to say this. My only intention is this one. The only person who can increase you on this earth is you only. You please work properly. I cannot increase you. I can teach. Every day little bit. You no need to see this one. You no need to eat at a time 100 kg food. You no need to eat at a time 100 kg food. Eat slowly little bit. Every day little bit. You do. Finally you will become absolutely fine. Right? Main. Next problem. Main. I is equal to n while I greater than or equal to 1, I is equal to I minus 50, I is equal to I minus 25, I is equal to I minus 30, I is equal to everyone is capable. Whoever there in this classroom, everyone capable. The only thing is, are you believing yourself or not? Are you believing yourself or not? That matters. If you believe, you can do it. I can do means you can do. If you believe I can do means you can do. Yeah, can you go ahead? What is the answer of this problem? Why don't you declare I only initialize? Yeah, someone is saying, yeah, see, once is saying that, why don't you declare? So remember, it is not a program, it is algorithm. Right? It is not a program, it is algorithm. When we are going to the programming, there we will do. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you so much for asking. When we go to programming, we will do that. It is an algorithm. Algorithm means normal English lines. Thank you so much for asking. Vanshu, thank you so much for asking. Right? Whenever programming is started, that time I will declare also. Don't worry. That time I will declare also. Now only necessary things I am writing. Can you say what is the answer of this problem? Once, are you okay? Once, are you okay? Please give signal to me. Are you okay? Yeah, so whenever we will go to programming, we will write the same. That is called syntax. That is called syntax of the program. We will see afterwards. Right, now see, what is the answer of this one? I think everyone is mentioned. First 50 subtracted, next 25 subtracted, next 30 subtracted. Total if you observe, I think 105. I think it's going to be n by 105, which is going to be 1 by 105, which is going to be big O of n. I am happy with that. Listen, I am happy with that. 1 at n by 105, 1 by 105 into n, big O of n, that is fine. Now listen everyone now. One more line is given. I is equal to I minus 40. What is the answer? Sorry, I is equal to I plus 40. See this one. Is it positive or negative? Doesn't matter. Can you say overall value how much? First 50 subtracted. Next 25 subtracted, next 30 subtracted, total becomes minus 105. To that add 40, it became, I think 65. Minus 65. It became minus 65, right? Okay, every time 65 subtracted. This value finally become I is equal to I minus 65. So this became n by 65. This became 1 by 65 into n. This became order of n. See the overall value. You will play game by, right? Sometimes subtraction, sometimes adding. Sometimes subtraction, sometimes adding. It became I is equal to I minus 65. Overall how much? Oh, overall is 65 decrementing every time. Right? Overall is 65 decrementing every time. Can you help me now? Listen. Can you help me now? Everyone listen. Everyone listen. In the program, loop is important or not? In the program, loop is important. Time complexity means loop only. Time complexity means loop only. In the program, loop is important. In the similar way, in our life also, see, each day you are doing something. Each day, loop means repeating same thing. In your life also, you also repeating every day. Every day you are repeating good things. Every day you are improving little bit. Every day you are improving little bit. Every day you are improving little bit. So remember, life also loop only. Life also loop only. In that loop, are you incrementing, decrementing? It matters. If you increment, you will grow like anything. If you decrement, you decrement like anything. Life also loop only. You no need to do one day extraordinary thing. One day extraordinary, further nothing, no use. One day extraordinary thing, further nothing, no use. Every day in the life is loop. In the loop, what you are doing? In the loop, every day I am improving. Then definitely at the end of the day, you will be absolutely fine. See the Reliance, every day they are improving. See the Google, every day they are improving. See the TCS, every day they are improving. Every day you have to improve. This is the only way to grow in life. If you do shortcuts, you will fall down. Shortcut means you will go somewhere, suddenly you will fall down. Why you want that? Grow slowly, continuously grow. Right? Let's go to next problem. Example number 11 is over. Example number 12. Example number 12. Right, example number 12. Now see this one. Main. It is a nice problem. Can you take care? It is a nice problem. I is equal to n. While I is greater than or equal to 1, I is equal to I minus 7, I is equal to I plus 9, I is equal to I minus 50, I is equal to I plus 60. Can you help me? What is the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? I want answer from you. Please check. This is a very, very nice one. This is a very, very nice problem. Can you check what is the time complexity of this program? Yeah. What is the answer you are thinking? I want answer from you. What is the answer you are thinking? What is the answer you are thinking? Please let me know what is the answer you are thinking. Yeah, Suman is saying, listen, everyone, I am very happy. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. You got it. Listen. So I started with big number. Overall, it is already big. I is already big. You are subtracting small number. You are adding big number. Subtracting small number, adding big number. Overall, how much you added extra? Right, 7 minus 7 plus 9, 2. Right, plus 2 minus 50 minus 48 minus 48 plus 60, how much? 12. So every time you are adding 12, already I is big. Already I big. You are keep on adding 12. You are keep on adding 12. It never stop. Termination condition never stop. I think it will go. Listen. It never stop. It will go like this. One. First one, I value n. N greater than or equal to 1, true. N plus 12 greater than or equal to 1, true. N plus 24 greater than or equal to 1, true. N plus 36 greater than or equal to 1, true. It is keep on going. Can anyone help me now? Algorithm, what is one of the property? It should stop after some time. Please careful. Right? This one, listen. This one, whatever I written, this one, it is not stopping. Not stopping means it is not algorithm. Algorithm should stop. It is not algorithm. It may be program. See this one. It is a program. But not algo. It is not algo. It is a program. If anyone asks you, can you give one example? Which is a program but not a algorithm? If anyone asks you from today onwards, give one example which is a program but not algo. You can give this. This is not a algo but it is a program. This program going to infinite loop, but it is not a algorithm. Algorithm means it should stop. Every algorithm should terminate. It is not a algorithm. Whenever it is not a algorithm, we cannot find out time complexity. Time complexity we don't calculate. If anyone say time complexity infinite, that is also correct, which is nothing but we cannot calculate time complexity. Time complexity infinite means we cannot calculate time complexity. Means it is not a algorithm. See, some people what they will do is this one. Okay, overall, some people will do like this one. Overall 12 is incrementing. I is equal to I plus 12. Some people will do like this one. I is equal to I plus 12. Oh, always 12 incrementing. So time complexity is n by 12. So finally time complexity order of n. Right? Some people will do like this one. Always n incrementing by 12. So time complexity become n by 12. Order of n. No, Bhaiya, use common sense. So that is the reason starting point also matters. Starting point already bigger, you are adding. It never go to 1. Already it is bigger. You are keep on increasing. So it never stop. Some people what they will do is, right, they don't use common sense. They will use by-hearted things. See, oh, always plus 12, n by 12. Always plus 12, n by 12. Always plus 12, n by 12. Right? If you start from small number, then increment. If you start from big number, decrement. Start from small number, then increment. Start from big number, then decrement. You should do opposite. But already big, you are keep on adding. It never stop. That is the reason you cannot by heart. Computer science is so sensitive. Computer science is so sensitive. If you keep on by hearting, you don't get anything in this branch. Those people who want to be a good developer, you should have common sense. If you want to be a good developer, you should have common sense. Right? These are the mistakes, small mistakes. Please keep on rectify. If anyone thought time complexity n, if anyone thought time complexity n, it is not n. Time complexity we cannot calculate because it is not algorithm, because it is not stopping. Because it is not stopping. Every algorithm should stop. Every algorithm should stop. Now, one small question I want to ask you. Listen, one small question I want to ask you. Algorithm program, which is practical? One small question I want to ask you. Algorithm program, which is practical? Algorithm program, which is practical? Algorithm program, which is practical, which is theoretical? Algorithm program, which is which is practical, which is theoretical. Remember, algorithm is theoretical. Algorithm is theoretical. Theoretical way of writing program. Theoretical way of writing program is called algorithm. Algorithm you cannot keep inside computer. Program you have to keep inside computer. First write algo, then write the practical implementation in the form of a program. First write algo. Algo is theoretical way of writing. Theoretical way of writing the program is known as algorithm. If you write using some machine instruction, that is called program. Before program, you should write algorithm first. First write algorithm, then go for program. Don't write the program first. First write algorithm. First write the algorithm. Algorithm is a theoretical way of writing. Take two numbers, add both of them, store in C, afterwards print C, like that. Normal English line if you write, theoretical way. Right? If you want to design anything in life, first algorithm required, which is also called road map. People used to say that to solve this problem, what will be the road map? To solve this problem, what will be the road map? That is called algorithm. That is called algorithm. Road map is nothing but algorithm. If you have algorithm in some language, you can implement. First write the algorithm. The problem, listen. Some people are asking, that's why theoretical. Yeah, before starting program, you have to write algorithm. For my serious request to everyone. My serious request to everyone, don't write program directly. Please write algorithm first. Don't write program directly. Please write algorithm first. Please write algorithm first. Don't write program first. Please write algorithm first. Algorithm okay, then go for program. Algorithm okay, then go for program. So please promise me from today onwards, to write program of anything. First, I will write algorithm. Please promise me. Please promise me in the group, in the chat. In the comments, please promise me. Please promise me so that we can proceed further. Sir, to do anything, first I will write algorithm. Please promise me. Please promise me, right? To write program of anything, first I will write algorithm. Please promise me. Promise I will write algorithm. Promise I will write algorithm. I don't write program first. This is the biggest mistake what people are doing. They are writing the program first. Please write the algorithm first. Everyone should type. Everyone should type. Write algorithm, then program. If you directly write program, you go to infinite loop. Everyone. Everyone. So one dog name is there. That dog name is Roni. That dog name is Roni. So Roni, you also type. Roni, you also type. Some dogs are not typing. Those people who are not typed, please type. Please type. I will promise I don't write program first. I will write algo first. Please type, everyone. Not only promising, you have to satisfy also. Not only promising, you have to satisfy also. First write algo. Don't write program. Right. Perfect. Arey, you can type na. Roni, you can type na. Don't think I said dog and all. You are my younger brother or younger sister. I don't have any feelings. I don't have any bad feeling. You are my younger brother, younger sister. Right? Don't think anything badly. I don't have any bad opinion. Maybe I said dog because you didn't type. You can type. First write algo, then program. Algo program. Right, perfect. So if you write the program directly, it will go to infinite loop. Please write algo first, then write algorithm, then program. Okay, fine, perfect. Go to the next problem. I think Roni maybe felt bad. Sir, how can you say me dog? Roni want to say, sir, how can you say me dog? Arey, you are my brother. You are like my brother, younger brother. Younger brother, I can say whatever I want. Younger brothers, younger sisters are shameless. Younger brothers and younger sisters are shameless. They are shameless people. I can say whatever I want because they are my younger brothers. Fine, that's okay. Fine. If you felt bad, I'm really sorry. Right? Perfect. Move next. Next example. Example 12 over example 13. Main Srivastava. Oh, Arey Srivastav Bhaiya, you came here also. Srivastav Bhaiya, you came here also. Srivastav Bhaiya, you came here also. Shashank Srivastava. Oh, you came here also. Chalo. Mean I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n, I is equal to I plus 7, I is equal to I plus 9, I is equal to I plus 25. Can you say what is the answer of this? Yeah, complete now. What is the answer? Yeah, say what is the answer for this? I am expecting answer from everyone. Check properly. I started from small number. Afterwards, keep on incrementing. What is the answer? Amar is saying constant. Arey Amar, how can you say constant? Arey Aman, don't you have common sense? How can you say constant here? I is equal to I plus 7, I is equal to I plus 9, I is equal to I plus 25. Can you say overall how much you are adding? Overall how much you are adding? I value already 1, 1 plus 7. Sorry, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 25. How much? 41? 41. Every time you are adding by 41. So, time complexity of this program n by 41. N by 41. So, 1 by 41 into n. Finally n. Finally n. Fine. Every time incrementing by 41. Every time incrementing by 41. Every time incrementing by 41. So n by 41, 1 by 41 into n, order of n. Remember, time complexity finding is nothing but loop is how many time? Time complexity finding is nothing but loop is how many times? Loop only. Our life also loop only. Our life is loop. Our life is loop. Loop is going on. Every day taking breakfast. Afterwards going to college. Again taking lunch. Afterwards going to college. Right? Afterwards taking dinner. Afterwards sleeping. Then again woke up. Taking breakfast. Same thing going on. Life is loop. Every person is nothing but. Every person life is nothing but one loop is going on. In the loop do good things. Because loop means repetition. You are keep on repeating. Keep on repeat good things. Keep on repeat good things. So n by 41. Now can see everyone. Now can see everyone. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? Is it right? Listen. This part. This part. Everyone listen. This part. Is it loop? Is it part of the loop or not? Is it part of the loop or not? Is it part of the loop or not? It is not part of the loop. Listen, it is not part of the loop. Suppose assume that it is 1 is there, then answer is 1 by 41 into n. 1 is there, 1 by 41 into n. Suppose if it is 100 there, oh, without doing any work I already got 100. Minus 100 you do. Without doing any work I already got 1000. Do minus 1000. But anyhow, function is bigger. See, n is bigger because n may be 1 crore. N may be 2 crore. So it is the bigger part. 1 by 41 into n. Finally, order of n. Please take care. In this problem, I want to convey this. Are you okay or not? Check. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. All the best, my boy. All the best. Suman, you are correct, minus only. So if you okay with this, can we go to next? Why we are doing minus? Already, see, he is not starting from 1. He is starting from 1000. Oh, some work already done. Some work already done. So minus 1000. If you start from 1, listen, if you start from 1, you will get more. If you start from 1000, you will get little less. If you start from 1 lakh, you will get little less. So from which place you started, that number you can subtract. But anyhow, see, whether you subtract, whether you add, doesn't matter. So please careful. Can you help me now? Inside loop matter or before loop matter? Inside loop matter or before loop matter? Inside loop or before loop? Inside loop or before loop? Which one matters? Inside loop or before loop? Which one matters? Loop matter. Every day what you are doing, that matters. Before loop what you do, that is not that much issue, that much big issue. Inside loop what is going on. Every day what you are doing, that matter. One day what you are doing, that doesn't matter. Previously 1 is there. 1 means you have to start from 1. 1 became right, 1 plus 41, 42. 42 plus 41, 83. 83 plus 41, 124. So like that. But when you say I is equal to 1000, it's already 1000. Okay, little work is already done. So from the total, remove that 1000. So, right, one more important thing I want to say from this problem, don't worry that much about before loop. Before loop, listen, before loop, see this one. I is equal to 1000 also same as I is equal to 1, all same. I is equal to 10 also same, differ by constant factor, differ by small constant. I is equal to 500 also same, all same. If at all 1000 is there. If at all 500 there. If it is 10 there, 10 there. But denominator is this function only. 1 by 41 into n. Finally order of n. Fine. Can you go to 11th program? Can you say what is the 11th program time complexity? Can you say what is the 11th program time complexity? Once is ask someone, Array, see, if we are doing good work, they will come. Everyone will join if you are doing good work. If you don't do good work, no one will come. Once they only will come. Soon everyone will come, don't worry. Do good work, all will follow you. Yeah, what is the time complexity of this problem? Please help me, time complexity of this problem. Let me know time complexity of this program. So if you see this program, time complexity of this program, you see this one, time complexity of this program is n by 65. Time complexity of this program is n by 65, see. Time complexity of this program is n by 65. 1 by 65 into n, order of n. Time complexity of this program is n by 65, 1 by 65 into n, order of n, right? Fine, everyone know n by 65. Listen now. Because of here n is there, listen, because of here n is there, n by 65. Because of here n is there, n by 65. Here if at all n square there, if at all here n square there, n square by 65. N is there, n by 65. N square there, n square by 65. Suppose here log n is there, here log n is there. This place log n there, log n by 65. Suppose in this place n by 10 is there, it is going to be n by 10 by 65. Whatever is there by 65. Whatever is there by 65. Whatever is there by 65. So n by 65 also order of n. N square by 65, order of n square. Log n by 65, order of log n. N by 10 by 65, it became n by 650. N by 650, which will become order of n. This is what Goyal asked. This is what Goyal is asking. You got? Whatever, listen, whatever is there, if n is there, n by. If n square is there, n square. If n square is there, n square. Like that. So can I help you now? Minus 5 plus 5, both are same. They both will cancel each other. minus 5 plus 5, they both will cancel each other. Minus reverse is plus, plus reverse is minus. If you have a big number, subtract, so that loop will stop. If you have a big number, subtract, so that loop will be stopped. If you have small number, add, so that loop will be stopped. At the end of the day, bigger subtract, smaller add, right? So that loop will be over. Addition reverse is subtraction, subtraction reverse is addition. We are not interested here addition or subtraction. We are interested here loop is how many time. We are interested here loop is how many time. Loop is how many time. We are interested here loop is how many time. Someone is saying, right, sir, with loop, with while loop, use n instead of. No, previously also see this one. Everywhere see. Everywhere we are using see this one. I is equal to n. Can I help you now? This program, if you observe, always 62 subtracting. So if n is there, n by 62. If n is there, n by 62. In the place of n square there, n square by 62. In the n square log n is there, log n by 62, like that. Whatever is there by 62. It is also C. Listen, it is also C. Starting from big number, always subtracting this. N by 1001. If at all n square, if it is n square by 1001. That is the reason I used to say don't by heart. Meaningfully study, everything okay. Just meaningfully study, everything okay. With while loop, use n instead of 1. What you are talking? With while loop, use n instead of 1. Everything is while only, na? How can you say this? Everything is while only. See, everywhere while, what is the meaning of, right? Use 1 instead of n. Everywhere while only. Every problem is while only. Now, come to this problem. Listen, come to this problem. Everyone listen, come to this problem. In this problem, every time you are adding, listen, every time you are adding 41. Every time you are adding 41. In this problem, every time you are adding 41. Careful, every time you are adding 41. So time complexity of this program became, n by 41. Suppose n by 41, if at all here n is there, n by 41. If n there, n by 41. Suppose here n square there, n square by 41. N square there, n square by 41. Here n cube there, n cube by 41. Don't think much about before loop. Don't think much about before loop. Right, fine. We done 13 problem, right? Please go through all of them one time. Please go through all of them one time. Don't confuse, right? If anything is confusing, you can ask me, right? This is my WhatsApp number, you can ask me. If anything is confusing, you can ask me. Please go through it one time.